everyone, Denise here, and welcome back to my 30-day workout plan for beginners. We are on day 2, second day. I'm glad you all decided to come back. Here we're going to target those hard-to-tone trouble spots that we have as we age, or if we're overweight, or if you have never worked out before. Trouble spots meaning your back bulge, your belly fat, love handles, sagging butt. So, I'm glad you're here, and let's get right to it. So the first thing you want to do before you start any sort of exercise program is you're going to want to stretch. And stretching helps prime your muscles and reduces the chance of injury that you might do to yourself working them out. So we've got a few stretches that we're going to do here that are going to hone in on the muscle groups that we're going to be working on. Following that up with a quick kind of like a walk, and then if you can, jog in place. Hopefully the whole warm-up will take no more than 5 minutes. So here we go. warmed up. So the first exercise we're going to do for today, they're called military presses. We're going to do 10 of them. You can either do them with nothing in your hand, or if you have a set of weights, I have little 3-pounders, which are good to start with. Or, if you don't have any weights and you want to put something in your hands, get some soup. Put 2 cans of soup in your hands. It works just as well. But what you want to do is put your arms like this, with your palms facing out, and you want to push up 10 times. And this is good for your back fat or your bra bulge. All right, so let's do 10 of them. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Push up. Nice. You can actually really feel it in your back. And that is 10. See how easy that is? Not too bad. All right. That one works for me. So this next exercise that we're going to do, they're called twists. We're going to do 20 of them, and this is good for your muffin top, your love handles, and all it is just twisting to the side, and you can feel it as you go over. Kind of tighten up your stomach as you go. This way it makes your abs work out a little harder. All right, so we're going to do 20 of them. Just put your hands like this, like you're going to punch somebody, and go do 20 on each side. Here we go. 1, 2. Keep your hips pointed forward. 7. 9. 10. Again. 1. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. And 10. There you go. Can you feel it? I can feel it here. I even feel it in my arms. Holding my arms and making them tight. All right, good job. So these last 3 exercises are done on the floor. The first one we're going to do is for our abs, our guts. And these are called air bikes, ab bikes. We're going to do 10 of them. And it's just a matter of coming up in a sit-up position, but we're going to alternate with our legs. All right, we're going to do 10 each leg. If you can't meet all the way, don't worry about it. Just do the best that you can. All right, here we go. Bend your knees. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, One more. 8, 9, give it a good squeeze. And 10. You should feel it right here. That's a good one. And then the next are called bridges. That's for this, your glute area, or as I like to call it, your butt thigh, or your butt and your thigh meet. That can be a trouble spot. So bridges are exactly that. Bend your legs, or bend your knees, your arms to the side, and you just want to lift up and hold it. You can feel the back here, feel it get nice and tight. Hold it for a couple seconds and then let it down. We're going to do 10 of those. Here we go. If you can keep it up longer than that, then good for you. That's really good. I can feel it. I can feel myself start to shake. Alrighty, good job. So they've had this plank challenge going around the internet and on Pinterest, etc. See 30 days worth of planking. You start out with a really low number, I believe it's 10 seconds, and you work your way up to 5 minutes. So we're on day 2, and today we're going to hold a plank for 20 seconds. If you can't do it, that's okay. Just do as much as you can. You'll start to shake, which is good, but you'll get stronger the more you do this. All right, so let's hold for 20 seconds. Ready? Let's go. Plank is a good exercise to do because it works your whole core. You can feel it in almost every muscle in your body. So, yeah, I really look forward to getting up to that 30 days. I think you have to hold it for 5.5 minutes. Should be interesting. So after every exercise, you should stretch so you can reduce your muscle fatigue, and it'll help your muscles kind of recover from whatever it is that you've done. So make sure you just kind of stretch it out. You can do basically the same thing you did in the beginning. Just go like this because you know that you worked out your top part. And reach, and reach, and reach, and reach. Kind of help out your back a little bit. If your neck is kind of sore from doing your sit-ups, you kind of rotate your neck area. And then your sides. do our legs. And just kind of come up like a cat. And there you go. Doesn't take very long. All I ask is that you give me 10-15 minutes of your day, whether it be first thing in the morning or in the evening. We're going to do 4 weeks worth of exercises that will target our trouble areas. I hope you like what you've seen so far. I know my videos are kind of raw. I'm new at this. Makes me really kind of nervous. But hopefully, as the days and the weeks progress, I will get much better speaking to you guys. So, if you like what you see so far, hit the subscribe button and come back again tomorrow. We'll be on day 3. Alrighty, until then.